Okay, let's get underway. We're using the line of best fit to make a prediction in this example. But first, let's have a look at what we have. We have a scatter plot here, and with this scatter plot, it's from a diverse group of students. I'll read the question, and they had their heights and their shoe sizes measured and recorded. Now, the data was graphed up here on this scatter plot, and the line of best fit has been drawn. As you can see, there's the line of best fit. Why do we put a line of best fit? Because that line best represents all those points as closely as possible. So there's that line. Now that's going to help us make a prediction. So to make a prediction here, we've got two variables. Again, we have the shoe size and the height. Now, what can we tell about the trend or the pattern here? Well, you can see that the trend is upward. We have a positive slope, and that means as we have increasing height, we're going to have increasing shoe size. So as the shoe size gets bigger, the height of the person also gets bigger. In other words, they get taller. So we got that kind of happening. So the two variables have a relationship, height versus shoe size. Now, as we look at this in the scatter here, we can tell it's kind of moderate to a strong relationship. Now we have a correlation. So a correlation is essentially the measure of the strength of a linear relationship. Linear meaning we need to put the line of best fit. So let me write down what we have now so we can work this out. So the question says we have Zach, who is 160 centimeters tall. So Zach, let me just write it in red. Meters tall. So that's Zach right here. As you can see, the height is here. We've got centimeters, 160 is right there. So let me just move that. So Zach is right there. He's 160 centimeters. Okay, now Zach is what? He is 20 centimeters shorter than Tony. What does that mean? That means that Tony is 20 centimeters taller, isn't it? Is 20 centimeters taller than Zach. So how tall is Tony? Well, 160, which is Zach, 160 plus 20, very easy. That means that Tony is 180 centimeters tall. So that's Tony. Let's go through it again one more time. Zach is 160. There's Zach right there. He is 20 centimeters shorter than Tony. What does that mean? It means that Tony is 20 centimeters taller than Zach. Let me write down here, taller. He's 20 centimeters taller. So let's go 20 centimeters taller. 160 plus 20 is 180. So right over here, we have who? We have Tony. There's Tony. Tony is 180. Now the question asks, well, what is Tony's shoe size? What is Tony's shoe size? So now, because we have a line of best fit, we can take this one variable, go straight up to this line, bounce it off there, and get the other variable, which is the shoe size. That's the beauty of using the line of best fit. So let's go ahead and do that. So what's Tony's shoe size? Well, we know how tall Tony is. We worked out that he's 180 centimeters. So let's go up. We go up from 180 till we hit the line of best fit. Bang, there's a line of best fit. Let's go across horizontally to the shoe size variable. We go across here, and his shoe size is right there. Tony's shoe size is 11. Tony's shoe size is 11. I just put it like that. Put a box around it. Tony's shoe size is 11. There you go. Hope that helps.